Bonjour à toutes et à tous, ici Magzy et aujourd'hui on se retrouve pour le dernier chapitre de The Wolf Among Us. Donc ce que je vais faire moi, c'est que je pense que je vais filmer le dernier chapitre tout d'un seul coup parce que de ce que j'ai vu, il dure 1 heure. Donc vous, ça va vous faire 2 épisodes encore et puis je couperai. Je verrai si je ferai intro, outro. Je ne sais pas, je verrai dans le truc parce que si je suis vraiment immergée dedans, j'aimerais pas genre me couper ou quoi que ce soit. Donc voilà, tout simplement. Bah écoutez, sinon à part ça, j'espère que vous allez bien. Voilà, bon. Voilà, moi ça va très bien. Comme vous le voyez, je me suis pomponnée. Je me pomponne plus pour Big B que pour mes vraies dates. Est-ce que c'est pas affolant quand même? D'ailleurs, ne faites pas attention au fait que mon chignon soit complètement décalé. Je sais pas faire les chignons en fait, donc voilà. Ah là là, mais c'est juste que ça me rend déter le confinement, je sais pas, genre grave envie d'être au taquet, vous voyez. Voilà.
Holly's sister, Lily.
Do you even give a shit about us?
Mais en fait, ça me saoule parce qu'on l'a déjà vu, on sait déjà tout ça, genre. Nous possédons ce qu'on appelle une mémoire, c'est.
We're destroying the tree. No!
D'ailleurs, je me demande où elle en
We're not
est.
burning the tree, Snow.
Hey, you're not really gonna send me to the farm, are you?
The rules are the rules. I don't get to make them, I just enforce them.
Bullshit.
Oh God, Bigby!
This time was no joke. Eat as many metal shellings as you see fit, but take just one more silver round near your heart, and the only place I'll be visiting you is the morgue.
On espère que ça va pas arriver.
Bigby, wait. When you get the crooked man, make sure you bring him back alive. He has to stand trial.
Why don't you have a seat, Sheriff? We have a great deal to discuss.
Et ils ont même pas montré le fameux moment où on allume la cigarette. Et on est tellement badass, genre. Ah là là, on a même pas de scène d'intro ni rien. Genre, ça part direction générique, on est au taquet, on n'est pas là pour flâner. Genre, c'est parti. Et dire que c'est la dernière fois qu'on va le voir. J'espère que vous l'appréciez quand même. Hein. Après, il y a le deuxième. Ouais, mais le deuxième, ce sera pas le même générique. D'ailleurs, je sais pas du tout où ça en est. Genre, ils ont posé un teaser et puis c'est mort, quoi.
You've come a long way. You must be tired.
Ouais, si, quand même. Je vais mettre ma main sur la souris. On sait jamais ce qui peut se passer.
And if my envoys are correct, you haven't had a lot of rest recently. Please, Sheriff, relax for a moment, will you? Do you want a drink? Something to eat? Vivian makes a very nice, it's elegant. Really a carpaccio. It's lobster, sirloin.
I'm here for one reason, and it's not to eat your fucking food.
Really?
Eh oui.
What do you think you're doing?
He's gonna.
Mr. Wolf is our guest, and I have every intention of cooperating. So don't waste the silver. Sit down, Jersey.
En plus, on a même pas buté ni rien.
Well, Sheriff.
On a été grave sympa.
Transparency. Why don't you tell us why you're here? It would help settle everyone's nerves, I think.
You know why I'm here. You killed those women.
What women?
Faith and Lily, the girls who worked at the pudding and pie.
Did I now? I assume by your confidence in accusing me, you must have some proof of this, yes? Some allotment of evidence. A witness, perhaps.
Your servant over there told me you did it.
That's a fucking lie. I didn't say anything like that.
Fine.
All I said was that this was your town, and nothing wouldn't happen without your approval. All right? That's it.
If only that were true. Those women. I don't relish telling you that the killings were perpetrated by an employee of mine. It's a very unfortunate bit of business, but I promise you that the matter will be dealt with internally. I just want to settle the issue for you, and to assure you that it's over with. You really don't need to worry yourself further.
Je connais pas les coupables.
Business. You're gonna tell me right now who killed him.
Sheriff, I have complete respect for you and your job. I hope you know that. But I simply can't divulge that information.
Mais ils vont tous
You
hyper
really shouldn't worry
chier.
yourself. As I said, I've got this under control.
No, I'm gonna deal with it right now.
Yeah, right.
What do you think this is? Some kind of negotiation?
J'ai grave
The
envie
man
de se
said he'd
frapper.
take care of it. So why don't you take the hint and get out?
Tweedledee.
Ah là là, je pouvais pas dire ici la loi c'est moi parce que ici la loi c'est lui, tu vois, on est dans son repère.
You think I'm scared of you? You're nothing more
That's
than a...
enough. I was hoping it wouldn't come to this, but in the interest of preserving our alliance, if you have to know, it was Georgie.
On l'avait dit au tout début que c'était le Mac.
However,
C'était le
like I said,
Mac.
I'd be handling the matter if you don't mind.
Georgie.
You
On peut
got what
frapper.
you wanted, so just
Sit
On peut,
down
on peut,
now.
on peut. Du moins on l'embarque.
I killed him, so what? You should have just kept your nose where it fucking belonged.
Georgie.
Get your hands off me!
Look, the fact is, George here misinterpreted one of my instructions.
Misinterpreted?
And I want to make things right. So, let's work something out.
What's there to work out? I'm protected, aren't I?
Your protection has limits, and I think you've far exceeded yours. But you could murder someone in cold blood like that.
You fucking asked me to do this!
And
You
then
told me
attempt to
kill him.
blame me for it. You will be silent while we discuss what to do with you.
This is right bollocks, this!
On va arrêter les deux,
You're
non?
just gonna let him do this?
Bah ouais. Ben
So what do
oui.
you say,
Parce que
Sheriff?
c'est ça la
We discussed
réalité en fait. Non mais...
You can have Georgie. Consider it a gift, ensuring our continued cooperation.
I think I'll be taking both of you.
You're not taking me, you fucking ponce! What the fuck is this shit? You said you'd cover for us!
For minor infractions, not murder.
just go with him, Georgie. You're gonna sink us all.
What's wrong with you people? You're really gonna sell him out just like
You
that?
think I give a fuck if I'm the one... Who the shit do you think you fuckers are?
surrender.
Get the fuck out of
I
here!
do apologize, Sheriff, but I think it's best if you leave now.
There's no way I'm going with him. Are you kidding me?
Things are about to get unpleasant, and I would rather you weren't here to watch.
You can go join that whore at the bottom of the lake for all I give a shit. But he's not taking me anywhere. I'll roll over on the lot of you before I let that shit happen.
What are you saying?
Yeah, what the fuck?
I already told you. I'm taking both of you in, so let's go.
This could have gone so well. To speak the truth, I've never been a very good mediator. Why negotiate when you can just decide?
Et voilà. Allez, c'est parti. C'est parti les kikis. Bonsoir.
Did I miss anything good? Well, look at you, all fixed up.
Et voilà, et voilà, et voilà, et voilà, et voilà. Peut-être que si on en avait buté quelques-uns, ça aurait été un peu plus simple. Mais on aime le challenge.
Take this!
Oh.
You're done, Wolf.
Come on, we're pretty much done here.
Non, 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 il se casse. Oh là là, qu'est-ce que ça me saoule.
I'd like to say it was nice knowing you, but I'll be glad to see your insides turned out.
Allez. Ouf. Ah mince.
This way.
Son peu importe. Là je réfléchis plus. Allez. Mais du coup si on saute dans le portail, est-ce qu'on les suit? Ou est-ce que c'est genre avec une seule destination? Oui.
Come on, Tordu.
Oh, shit.
I know.
Et voilà. C'est bon. Qu'est-ce que c'est ça? C'est quoi ça? C'est quoi ça? J'aime pas ça. C'est quoi cette barre là? C'est notre vie, c'est quoi? J'ai jamais été aussi stressée. Genre dans un jeu vidéo. Alors, descends. Ah. Pourquoi il est monté là? Ah, pour la vue. Ok. On va sauter. W. Purée. W. Hop, allez.
Fuck, what was that?
Ah ouais, bah ouais, c'était l'autre voiture. Ah, je suis trop bête. En plus, j'y ai pensé, je suis trop bête. Ah, je suis trop bête. Ah là là. Ah là là, allez, désolée. Désolée, ma belle. Hein. Je t'aime bien pourtant, hein. Mais Pourquoi elle a rétréci la barre en fait? Genre Ah, j'ai pas réussi. Purée. Ah, je suis deg là. Je suis deg de ma vie.
Gun it.
Are you sure?
Do it.
He's not moving.
Keep going.
Ah mais d'accord, ok ouais, c'est bon, je viens de comprendre. En fait j'ai cru que j'ai pas appuyé sur la bonne touche, mais en fait si, genre, c'est bizarre, bref.
Come on.
Eh mais les autres ils se sont cassés. Non mais je suis trop débile en fait. D'accord, c'est la même chose, ok, c'est bon. Ah mince. Ok.
Come on. We can't stay here.
Hang on. I need a minute.
Okay. this happen, Georgie? How did it get this? Can you stand up? It's okay. Take your time. Slowly.
It's no fucking use. No way I'm walking out of here. Well, it won't be your fault. Shit. Hello, Bigby. I hoped you'd come to your senses. Crooked Man's the one you want.
Je sais.
You're too much of an idiot to see that. Or maybe you just like me too much to let me go.
I'm taking you in, Georgie. Let's go.
You gonna carry me?
Please, Sheriff. Haven't you done enough? Look at him. He's dying.
Vivian, you don't know what you're doing.
I'm trying to help you here.
You can't seriously want to protect this guy. You know what he did.
I'm not going anywhere. It isn't his fault.
He's a murderer. Faith and Lily, he's the reason they're dead.
Look, I know he made a few mistakes. We all have.
What?
He made sure they couldn't work with those damn ribbons, and then he killed them. You're wearing one yourself. Doesn't that bother you even a little, knowing that man murdered...
Of course it does. Those girls...
So it's all my fucking fault then? You fucking... You're gonna throw me to the fucking wolf too?
Mais on va t'arrêter et en plus on va l'arrêter l'autre.
Fuck! I did what I had to! You can't fucking blame me for that.
Look,
sometimes you just have to do what you're told.
Why'd you do it then, huh? If it's not your fault, then what the fuck happened?
Look, Faith and the others tried to pull a run on us. And as you can imagine, the Crooked Man wasn't too thrilled. But of course, the big boss didn't want to get his fucking hands dirty. So he told me to take care of it. You think I don't know what that means? Either I do what he says or I'm the one getting dealt with. So I fucking killed him. And I'd do it again. 'Cause it's not my fault. The Crooked Man gave the order. He told me to kill them. And then he fucking sold me out.
That's not my problem.
Oh, I get it. When a pretty little girl shows up at your door wanting help, you've got all the time in the world. But when I've got something to say, it's not your problem. Well, fuck you. Go ahead and arrest me then. But it won't bring back Lily or Faith.
Non mais je
It
sais.
won't free your friend Narissa. And I'm just the sap taking the fall for the whole thing.
Mais on va aussi arrêter le tordu en fait.
Just come in here and blame me for all this
Mais
shit.
on n'est pas...
Done right. George is the bad guy. It's all his fucking fault.
Il m'énerve. Genre, on dit pas que c'est que de sa faute.
But what was I supposed to do? You don't know what it's like, Bigby. How could you know? At the end of the day, you're just like him.
Stop complaining and take responsibility for what you did. You
J'espère
murdered
vraiment.
Faith and Lily. You put those fucking ribbons around their necks. You had the power to let them go, but you chose not to.
You don't know what the fuck you're talking about. If I freed them... What would you have me do? Kill her?
Georgie, don't.
It was them or Vivian. So you tell me, if freeing Lily meant she had to die, do you still think I had a fucking choice?
What are you doing?
What are you talking about?
This is the original. The girl with the ribbon. I'm sure you've heard the stories. Couldn't take it off, couldn't talk about it. She used her little purple ribbon to make more of them. To keep our girls quiet. To ensure absolute discretion.
You promised you wouldn't.
All that magic is connected to this little thing. You remove hers, and the spell's broken. They're all free. But you know what happens to her? The same thing that happened to Faith. So don't you come in here and tell me I fucked up.
What the hell, Georgie? We were supposed to look out for each other. I trusted you.
You can't fucking blame me. You're not innocent here either.
Wait, those were your ribbons? You're in on this? I thought you cared about them.
I do. Of course I do. You have to understand, nobody was supposed to die. When we built this place, it was just a stupid idea. A gimmick. Discretion is our guarantee. That's how it started anyway. This was supposed to be our place. We were gonna be in charge for once, and nobody would try to control us or use us. That was the point. Then the crooked man showed up and everything just turned to shit.
So, do you get it now? Why I couldn't just... If you still think it's so fucking simple, then you do it. Go right ahead. Kill her then.
What are you doing?
Break the spell. Save the fucking day.
Stop it.
I told you. Sometimes all your options are shit.
We'll find another way. She doesn't have to die. Maybe the witches
Don't talk
can...
about me like I'm not even here. Please. You think this is hard for you? My life is such a fucking burden on your conscience. Don't I get a say? It's my life. Like it was either of yours to give up in the first place.
I wasn't really...
You're right. It's your life.
I know what I've done.
Wait.
I'm sick of everyone thinking that they can just do what they want with my life. I thought it would be different here. But it's all the fucking same.
Vivian, I didn't mean...
Do you think I wanted to be this person? What I did to Faith and Lily? To all of them.
Vivian, wait.
Every day I have to look Gwen and Hans in the eye and pretend I don't care. I have to forget what I've done to them. What I took away from them. I look at Nerissa and I hate myself.
Vivian.
I can't pretend anymore.
What are you doing?
Vivian, don't. Vivian, no! Fuck! No, 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 no! Why'd you have to do that, Vivian? Vivian! Shit!
Just... Jesus.
Vivian, I didn't fucking mean it. I was just...
Ça, je ne l'attendais pas. Enfin...
Get up. Get
up! Don't think so, Bigby.
Il est en train de crever lui aussi. Ils vont tous mourir. Super.
I'm gonna die here. I think we both know that. Just make sure you give the crooked man the same treatment when you find him. Really fuck him up for me, alright?
Don't worry about the crooked man.
Old foundry by the river, alright? Shepherd Metalworks. He'll be there. Fucking asshole. You wanna finish me off now? Or do you plan to kick me around a little first? Rip my limbs off one by one? That's what you wanna do, right? Well, whatever it is, just get it over with.
That's not who I am.
Prove it then. No more games, alright? We both know how this ends.
Mais c'est pas une fable, genre il est pas censé être hyper résistant. Je suis désolée. Enfin, du coup, enfin... Voilà, c'est ce qu'il a demandé aussi. Là, c'est chaud. En fait, je respecte Viviane pour ce qu'elle a fait. Enfin, parce que c'était son choix. Et elle a libéré les filles. Apparemment, c'était la seule solution de le faire. Voilà. Alors moi, on a compris. Genre, je sais pas, c'est trop choquant en fait. Genre... Je sais même pas quoi dire, mais c'est chaud. Mais on va, je pense qu'on va aller vraiment... On a dit à Blanche qu'on le ferait pas, mais je pense que ça va être compliqué de laisser le Tordu en vie en fait. Parce que là, là ça fait beaucoup quand même, je trouve. Ça fait beaucoup. Je suis désolée, j'ai des allergies. Donc c'est-à-dire qu'il reste plus que Nerissa. En fait c'est hyper triste et un peu peut-être méchant à dire, mais c'est vrai que ça aurait été mieux que Vivienne se sacrifie dès le début. Parce que, enfin, d'un point de vue extrêmement pragmatique, tu sauves le plus de vies possible en fait. Donc voilà. Et c'est pour ça que je la respecte d'avoir pris le choix de le faire, parce que c'est extrêmement... Enfin c'est... Voilà, c'est une vie contre une autre quoi, et c'est chaud. Mais bref, c'est si triste. Mais je comprends pas pourquoi elle a accepté... Enfin, en quoi, genre, mettre des rubans pour t'auto-censurer, ça va te donner du contrôle et du pouvoir. Enfin, quand même sans le tordu, genre, j'ai du mal à comprendre le système. Peut-être qu'on en saura plus avec Nerissa, du coup, qui pourra parler. C'est chaud. Déjà, je ne peux même pas me déplacer. J'ai bien géré tout à l'heure sur les QTE, mais là, c'est le contre-coup. C'est sans l'adrénaline, ça devient complicado. Et du coup, au final, je suis contente qu'on ait pu suivre les deux cocos, parce qu'au final, on a beaucoup plus appris. Oh là là.
They used to fear you. They'd hide anywhere their small shivering bodies would fit.
C'est ce qu'on a entendu dans le teaser. Imaginez, il marche vraiment comme ça, genre... Imaginez, c'est un film, et vous voyez vraiment le personnage, il marche comme ça. Ah là là, si pathétique. Les fameuses balles en argent.
Silver.
The big bad wolf. It's about time you showed up.
I had to take care of some things first.
Little errand boy. That's nice.
Ah, Bigby. I see you made it here in one piece. I do apologize, but I have some business to attend to. I leave you in the capable hands of my associate. Come find me when you finish, dear.
Don't worry. This won't take long.
Get out of my way now. Don't make this worse.
Aw, he doesn't want to play.
I'm sure you'll persuade him.
Cut this shit out!
Didn't your mother ever teach you manners? Or was she too busy fucking whatever breeze drifted through town?
Allez.
Oh, come on! Is that the best you can do?
La position de mes doigts est tellement inconfortable, mais je dois être prête à tout là. Genre vraiment, ils se tendent dans tous les sens pour toucher toutes les touches. C'est horrible. Yeah. Yes. De toute façon, où qu'on aille... Voilà, c'est juste un peu moins safe, c'est vrai. C'est... J'ai peut-être pas bien réfléchi en fait. Mais bon, encore une fois le challenge. Nous avons besoin de challenge. Même en arrêtant les méchants. Alors par contre là, si je dois me déplacer... je vais tomber. Oh là là, et voilà, parce que j'étais occupée à me déplacer, je n'ai pas... Super. Je vais bouger mon ordi. Allez, cool. Là j'ai appuyé, hein. Ah, c'est bon. Ah, purée. Ah là 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 là.
Where are you? Come out and face me.
Oh là là. Elle est pas belle, hein. Ah, vraiment. Et... Non, non, non. Ah, I'm so stressed. J'appuie encore. Mais c'est chaud. Il y en a plein. Purée. J'aime trop, je suis fan, je suis amoureuse, ça y est. Oh non, 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 non. Voilà. Mais c'est infini en fait. Genre, c'est à quoi? Et voilà. Oh, she's here. Parce qu'elle aussi, elle a une forme encore plus ouf. Non. Ah. Oh là là. Oh là là. Vraiment, je suis fan. Je suis fan. Si majestueux, si beau, si... Non mais... Waouh.